Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Canon on the piano easily and slowly. First, let's get set up. Find middle C on your piano, which is often the C nearest the center logo. Place your right thumb, which is finger number 1, directly on middle C. Ensure your fingers are gently curved, like holding a ball, and your wrist is relaxed. We will start at a very slow, deliberate pace, perhaps 60 beats per minute, to build a strong foundation. Now, let's tackle the right-hand melody. We'll begin with the iconic opening phrase. Place your right thumb on middle C, then play D with finger 2, E with finger 3, and G with finger 5. These are the first 4 notes. Practice these 4 notes slowly, ensuring each note has a clear, even sound. Repeat this small section many times until it feels comfortable and natural under your fingers. Next, we'll introduce the left-hand accompaniment, which uses a beautiful repeating chord progression. We'll start with a C major chord. C, E, G. Play these 3 notes together with your left hand, using fingers 5, 3, and 1. The progression is C, G, a minor, E minor, F, C, F, and G. Practice each chord as a block, slowly and deliberately, ensuring a smooth, connected sound as you move from one to the next. Finally, let's bring both hands together. This is where patience is key. Start by playing the right-hand melody and left-hand chords simultaneously at an extremely slow pace, perhaps 40 beats per minute. Count aloud 1, 2, 3, 4 to keep a steady rhythm. Focus on small 2-measure sections, repeating them until they feel synchronized. With consistent, slow practice, you'll gradually build muscle memory and confidence, allowing you to play Canon beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.